Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps 4x6 Back to School stamp set. Now, I'm not sure what it is about creating back to school cards, but I do love them, especially with adorable images like the ones included in this set. I love sitting down with my favorite alcohol markers or watercolor pens, coloring these images in those traditional back to school primary colors. I have two cards I'm going to share with you today. My first sample, I used the connected rectangle die to create the look of a chalkboard. I popped the colored images up off of that with mounting foam. Of course, I stamped the corners with the Fidoodle frame stamp set, adding slimline bunting borders across that chalkboard and a few letters from the Cutie ABC die set. I came in with a black pen and added a few tiny little dots here and there, and then finished this off with some matte black confetti. Now on my next sample, I created my own cover plate die by simply scattering the Cutie ABC dies around and running them through the die cut machine. It's a quick and simple way to create the perfect background for these adorable back to school images. For more information on the products you've seen in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. You're going to be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you can find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.